The unseen line: speed, safety, and the human touch. How do we make medicine both fast and kind? This is the central question for anyone who has ever been a patient, or, for that matter, a doctor. We build our systems of care around the twin pillars of safety and efficiency, doing the most good for the most people with the fewest errors. We create protocols, we design checklists, and we measure outcomes for predictable, high-quality results. This drive is essential, what separates modern medicine from the dangers of the past. It saves lives, reduces suffering, and makes complex procedures routine. Yet in pursuing perfection, we risk losing the person the system serves. A patient is not a faulty machine, but a human in profound vulnerability. They bring a lifetime of experiences, fears, and hopes. When care grows too loud, too fast, too impersonal, the person is silenced. A case number, a diagnosis, a body part on a conveyor belt. Clinical efficiency is a beautiful thing when it works, a well-choreographed dance. Each member knows their steps, monitors keep the rhythm. The outcome saves lives and restores health. A simple checklist can drastically cut infections, standardizing complexity so nothing is missed. Rules are not hurdles. They are guardrails against fallibility, the bedrock of safe care. The risk is objectification. When process eclipses person, a tool becomes a task for its own sake. Focus shifts from whole person to a body part needing attention. A person becomes the aortic stenosis in bed 4. Their story and fears recede behind a problem to solve. Not malice. Coping. Work overload becomes impersonal task lists. Here, ethics surface. Treating a part as a task severs identity and autonomy. Consent erodes when asked perfunctorily. Is it okay if I is no true invitation once underway? A body becomes public workspace. Feelings turn secondary. The harm may be invisible, but humiliation and broken trust remain. So we must weigh benefits against this risk. Nowhere is this line more fraught than in reproductive care. These moments entwine with identity, privacy, hopes, fears. Privacy, hopes, fears. A pelvic exam, a fertility treatment, childbirth, profoundly personal, felt in the soul. Rushed, impersonal care can make people feel like objects. A clinical gaze without connection can feel like violation. Dozens a day can become mechanical. Obtain a cell sample. Check for abnormalities, fast. For the person on the table, it is extreme vulnerability. If focus stays on speed and jargon, they may feel like parts, not a person. Anxiety, discomfort, dignity. Saving 30 seconds can cost trust. In L&D, a hemorrhage protocol brings speed and precision, with a communicator explaining simply and reassuring constantly. Fast and rule-based, yet respect is built in. Cold care deters screenings and follow-up, can seed trauma and powerlessness. So designed for safety and profound respect. Keep respect at the forefront of every encounter, non-negotiable for safe, effective care. Respect is not a luxury. It builds the trust that lets systems work at speed. Look them in the eye, use their name. Take 10 seconds to ask, how are you feeling about this? Write humanity into checklists. Include names and one human detail in huddles. Design respectful steps with staff so they work under pressure. Make the right action the easiest action. Amplify patient voice. Ask directly. Track it as vital data. Treat feelings like outcomes. Review and improve. Make it a topic in meetings, curricula, and training. Use real stories to show the stakes. Teach staff to see the person, not just the task. We can be fast, safe, and profoundly humane. Efficiency and empathy are not opposites. This is the work ahead, and it is work worth doing. The boundary lies where speed serves dignity, never where people are reduced to parts.